Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this 3-bedroom pool home on the lakeside of the highway for a client. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 1859 Felicidad Drive on the lakeside of the highway. Super desirable area. Beautiful lake shot down the street. So the lakeside of the highway is a super desirable area, and you probably heard me say that you either live here, you're lost, or you're on the way to the launch ramp, and that's true. Very low turnover here, and it is close to Windsor Launch ramp. So it does have some side RV boat type parking. This one was listed about 30 days ago for $649,900. So something you don't really see a lot here in Havasu is curb and gutter, and this area does have curb and gutter set up. Let's go on in and check it out. I noticed they've done the finished eaves, which is cool, so you don't see the exposed wood. Kind of a cool little front covered patio. Not a bad spot to have your morning coffee. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1990, 2,121 square feet. Again, it is listed for $649,900. Can come fully furnished. Has vaulted ceilings. They're not super tall, but they are vaulted as a wood beam. So this was being used as an Airbnb. It is a great spot for an Airbnb setup because this is where people want to be, is on the lakeside of the highway, close to the launch ramp. So it kind of has this formal-ish type dining area and a little sit-at bar. Have a slider out to the backyard pool area. Kind of a mosaic tile top. Kind of cool. You have a pretty big kitchen with a sit-at bar top. Has a kitchen island with an additional sink, which is kind of cool. A couple cracked tiles right there. You have RO at your sink and a nice little lake shot off of the sink as well. I'll show you in a second. So those are your lake shot off of the sink. Not too shabby. So this will have a little walk-in pantry. So this is a split floor plan, so you have the guest bedrooms on one side of the house off the kitchen over here and the master on the other side of the house. So we're going to go check that out first. You have your access to the garage and a huge, huge master suite. Slider out to the backyard pool area. Kind of a little recessed section over here where they put the bed. You have a walk-in closet. They are probably using as an owner's closet because it is keyed and locked. So you have a pretty nice lake view off of the master out of the slider as well. So you have the master bath. Has kind of that southwestern type feel to it. Some people like it, some people hate it. They did leave the carpet in here, which I hate, but it is what it is. You have a big walk-in shower with dual heads. And your toilet. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have 2 additional bedrooms, a guest bath and indoor laundry over here. This would be guest bedroom number 1, the front of the house. Both of these are going to be at the front of the house. So you have your indoor laundry there to the right and a guest bath. Does have dual sinks, a skylight, glass door shower with tile all the way to the ceiling. So here's your indoor laundry in the hall. And guest bedroom number 2. So you have your 2-car garage. It is 28 feet deep, but does have a 9-foot door and is 23 feet wide at the door opening. So it's a little bit of an oversized setup. Has some built-in storage. You have all your reverse osmosis, your water softener and hot water out here, as well as all your cable runs. All right, so you have a real nice covered back patio. The pool was just redone in pebble-tec. Has some pop-up cleaners. Killer lake views off of the back here. Pretty nice views from the pool and backyard. So they have a gate in the fence here and it backs to a city parcel, I guess, and just open desert. So I don't really see any ingress egress, so I'm not sure what the plan is, but it has some killer views. Let me zoom in and show you what it looks like. I would just hang out up here and have a little bonfire, maybe. So there's the back of the house. Everything looks to be really, really clean, like they just did all the pool deck as well when they redid the pool, I would imagine. Super clean. You have all your pool equipment, heater, it's on propane, and the tank is leased through AmeriGas, so you would just get that set up with them. Here's a gate to your side access. Looks like all the gates are relatively new too. It's like the hammered powder coating. So the house, it's very clean, a little outdated, but has a lot of potential. Super clean, would make a really nice Airbnb for somebody. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Felicidad. Again, this one is listed for $649,900. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.